Do you want to know how to create a Facebook page? If yes, then watch this video till then, because I am going to give you the easiest solution. So first of all, you need to open the profile of your Facebook page. So you can see this is me Praveen Gosai, and this is my Facebook page only. Herein you can see this is my profile page of my Facebook. Herein I need to click at the top. You can see account. I have created few pages like this already. You can click on see all profiles, and herein there is an option of create new profile or page. Just tap on this and you can select a profile or public page. Select the page and click on the next option, and herein click on get started, and you need to enter your Facebook page name here. So testing purpose, you can enter the category. What is the category? Technology, tech, information technology. Let me enter the description. You can describe it and click on create page. So herein you need to enter your website name, select a country, whichever country you belong to, and you can search it here. Like I am from India, so I will enter India, and enter your phone number here. You enter your email ID, location, all these stuffs, and at what time you are available. You can enter the timing, and always open. You can select anything. You can click on next. Fill all these details. Make sure to fill all the details for the good health of your page. And herein you can upload your page photograph. You can enter the about of your page. So this is the way you can enter information in your page. So it is very easy. You need to just complete this information and your page will be created. So I hope friends, now you'll be able to create a page for your Facebook. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.